Bonjour, it's Camilla from the Sewing Society, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a beret. So this beret I made out of an old cushion cover, and I just thought it was like the perfect fabric and a little bit different and a really great way to upcycle something that you might already have or that you might come across at a thrift store. There's a free pattern and I'll leave a link to it in the description below. Okay, let's get started. To make this beret, you will need a copy of the pattern, which is free to download. I'll leave a link in the description box below. And either a cushion cover that you are going to upcycle or enough fabric to cut out 2 of the beret circles, which is approximately 32 centimeters square or 13 inches. You'll also need a length of grosgrain ribbon, approximately 60 centimeters long or 23.5 inches. Next, we need to cut out 2 circles from the pattern. I wanted to save the piping and also the zipper from my cushion, so I'm putting the pattern towards one corner in order to save as much of the leftovers as possible. Now that we've cut out 2 circles, we need to put one aside and then take one of them and turn it into a ring to make it so that it kind of looks like a donut. You'll have to cut out the inner circle of the pattern to get the correct measurement for the inner ring. Just a note, I'm not lining my beret, but if you would like to, you can. You just need to repeat the process that we've just done with your lining fabric. And then you won't need the grosgrain ribbon. So just skip that step when we get to it. Now, with right sides together, we're going to sew the 2 pieces of our beret together on the outer edge using a 1 centimeter seam allowance. Then I went around the whole of the outer edge with the overlocker. Next, we're going to add the ribbon. This will help the hat stay in shape and also to stay on our head. The opening should be about 58 centimeters. So I'm going to cut a 60 centimeter length of ribbon, allowing for a 1 centimeter seam allowance. Now turn your beret right side out and we're going to pin the ribbon in place with a 1 centimeter seam allowance. Lay the ribbon on top. I made a mark 1 centimeter in from the edge with my air erasable pen so that I had a guide and I could see where to put the ribbon. Now stitch the ribbon in place. To finish off, we're going to do a row of understitching along the brim so that it keeps a really nice shape. All that's left to do now is give it a really good steam and press and to push the ribbon towards the inside. And there you have it, the most gorgeous, unique, upcycled beret. I really hope you enjoyed that tutorial, something a little bit different, and please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and would like to see some more like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Au revoir!